Curry leaf is one of the maintenance-free plant. I have been successfully growing curry leaf plants and trees for 15 years. Today let's talk about 4 common mistakes if you are growing curry leaves in the container. If you are growing curry leaf plant in a container, the first key point is container size. Make sure your container is not too small. Always go with a bigger size pot. I would say 5 gallons or more. The pot should have a good draining holes in the bottom or on the side. Keep in mind, if you are using a smaller size pot, you have to transfer to a bigger pot sooner or later. Pot you see here is 19 inches height and 22 inches wide. Bigger is better for curry plants. The second key point is the soil. If you really want to have a bushy curry plant, soil is the heart to the plant. To make it simple, buy a good potting soil. The most important point is do not use garden soil in the pot. Garden soil is heavier than potting soil, so it will not drain well. Good potting soil is very important. Also, in a good well-drained soil, the water drains out at a medium rate, should not drain too quickly or too slowly. The third important point is sunlight. Curry leaf will need full sun to thrive. It has to have at least 6 to 8 hours sunlight a day. So choose a location where you get more than 6 hours sunlight a day. The last key point is watering. Do not overwater curry leaf plants. If the soil is moist, do not water. Water once or twice a week during spring and winter. During summer, when the temperature is more than 90 degrees, water every other day or you can water every evening. You need to continue watering until it runs out of the drainage holes in the bottom of the pot. Standing water or if the soil is too wet, plant roots fail to get the oxygen they need and they tend to rot and the plant eventually dies. If your plant is not growing, it is staying the same size for a longer period of time, check whether if you have made any mistakes in the above steps which we discussed. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In the next video, let's talk about how to grow curry leaves faster. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.